Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The AI Cross. So what if your image generation tool can handle your all real world problems and use cases? Like it can generate your front end mockup, it can generate some basic UI dashboard structure, it can generate your ad creativity image with different kind of languages. So that product is called Nano Banana Pro. Today I'll be just taking a walkthrough how you can use this for different use cases and how you can increase your productivity. So this is the Nano Banana Pro like image part. You have to select the image from here in the tool section. So we'll go ahead with some use cases. First thing is for our product manager. Let's say you are working as a product manager in a company. So you need a kind of image for your pitch meeting, right? You might have like got some details and you want to join a basically founder pitch meeting. So now what I will do, I will just create a basic version of poster. I will just copy paste this prompt. So I am asking create a clean professional one page product vision poster basically for a SaaS feature called Smart Expense Insights. That is the product name. Layout I am just providing top what it will be do, in left column what it can be done, and right side. Okay, so let's see what it is creating. So it's now loading Nano Banana Pro. This is the one I was telling basically. This is the higher version of Nano Banana. So it will take few seconds. So we'll see basically what it is creating. Okay. So now it is created like this. Okay. So let me just zoom in. Smart Expense Insight, unlock financial clarity and drive strategic decision. It is given a kind of UI. So it is giving all the real-time centralized spend visibility, automated anomaly and trend detection, and it is giving a timeline. Okay, prompt 2. So we'll basically tweak this little bit, create a variation of the same poster for an executive audience. Okay. So we'll take this one. Okay. So same image now, what we'll do, we'll just put this. So now we don't have to give much basically details here. If you are okay, if you are satisfied with this version, then you just want to change this version for an executive audience, because whatever you are creating, that your document should not be same for every other audience, right? There might be a chance like you are giving the presentation to your higher level management and sometimes to a different level of people. So now if you'll see, for this executive audience it is giving, okay, like 20% reduction, what the exact like benefits of this project, right? That it is giving. So if you'll see, it is giving how much spend and everything, all this is okay. So all these things it is giving. Okay, so I can also download this, and if you want to download, you can download them and see that also. Okay, so let me download and I will show you. So this is how it will create. Now I'm going to the next step. Okay, so here what you can do, all of these things, if you want to change this, okay, you can just prompt there also, like change the color of the dashboard mockup to orange color. Okay, so now let's say, like your whatever products you are designing, you have a brand color as orange or something related to that. So you want that dashboard whichever was here to change to the color as the orange color. Okay, let's see if it is able to do or not. Okay, see now it has changed. So accordingly it can change a lot of things. Okay, so you can keep on asking the same for same image enhancement you can do. Okay, next use cases. Let's say you are a kind of UI or UX designer. Somebody has asked, okay, we are building this application, we need a kind of professional UX designer. So now we'll give one prompt. So this is we are doing as a for a mobile. Okay, design a set of 3 mobile app screens for an expense tracking app in a single 4K image, home dashboard with summary cards and a chart, add expense insights. Okay, let's give the prompt here. So this is a very cool thing. Like, I have been trying this Nano Banana Pro from last 1 week around. So it's giving a insane results, right? A lot of thing, like you cannot just expect, right, how it can be done. Okay, so this is how it has been done. See, I mean, think like how much time one UX designer will take to do all of these things, right? See, expense tracker, add expense insight. So it is given like in a mobile version kind of thing, how it should look like. Okay, I mean, I am flattened. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the next part. Okay, so what we'll do, so we'll just now do the small tweak here, generate a dark mode version, because a lot of application will have both like theme, right? Light dark theme and the light theme. Let's see, we can design the other version. Let's say your client asked in the next 5 seconds, you can provide them the same image like with the dark theme version also, right? Like you don't need anything, you just need Nano Banana Pro, right? I know, like I hate eating banana, but now I have started liking banana also as a fruit. Okay, let's see. Okay, the same thing, it is added as a like kind of your dark mode. Okay, so now I can download this. Okay, this is kind of for specifically for UI and UX designer. Now we'll come to the multilingual, right? Like ad creation. Let's say if you want to, if you are a ad manager for some company or something, and you want to create one ad for them, ad image. Okay, so now we'll do. Okay. So I'm keeping the same product, this AI expense and all, so that you will able to relate. Okay, this is how it is designing the mockup, this is how it is design the product related thing. Okay, so now let me put, so I am putting this as a like Gem Ledger AI expense assistant. That's the name just I have given for my like so that it will come as a professional look kind of thing. So now if you will read out the prompt, okay, short headline, it will be have center simple dashboard or mobile app mockup, bottom call to action button, style, what style you want to keep, color and all, headline, whatever it. Okay, see, I'm speechless. Okay, Gems leader, smarter spending, simplified AI powered expense insight, try Gem Ledger free. So it has taken a logo also here. Okay, you can add your logo also. Okay, now I'll just download this. So now what we'll do this in a different languages. Okay, so what I will do, when you will use a mobile app, that can become with different languages, right? Or even let's say you are targeting audience from a different country, right? You want your art to be displayed in a different languages. Okay, so same thing, you have to redesign, you have to translate that language, and you have to do this, right? So here you don't have to do anything. So I am providing, create 3 variation of this ad in a single image. We want to keep in a single image with the same layout but different language. Left English, middle Spanish, and right is French. Okay, see. So the first one is English. The second, I think we have asked for Spanish. Yeah, Spanish middle, right is French. So who wants to do this, like just translating everything and all? Like if Nano Banana Pro is there, why you need a translating and putting all those in the same format and all, right? Go to the next use cases. So like let's say you are a developer or a architect of a company and you are doing a project and all. So now you have to document a lot of things, right? Like what tech stack you are using, whatever details of that project. So now what we'll do, we'll do a system diagram basically. For that system, whatever we are creating, like we will create a system diagram. Okay, I am putting the same thing. So for the same expense tracking system component, what else it will do, and for this you can provide your real whatever document you have also. Let's say you have a 50 lines of things that you want to convert as a system diagram, that also you can put. So it can easily get all the details from there and it will generate the diagram. Okay, now let's see. Sometimes it takes little bit of time, around 50 seconds. That's too much time. You cannot take 50 seconds. If I am taking 2 hours to do that, you cannot take 50 seconds. You have to do little bit less time, right? Okay, anyway. So it has created this. So web-based expense tracking system architecture. User is mobile, interact with front end. What is your basically Next.js is the JavaScript is your front end. Then in back end, what you have? External service. You have a database. Let's say this one we are using as database. So it is created a very good system architecture. Like if you want to convey this message to your engineer or to your higher management, you can easily use this one. Okay. So now what we'll do, let's say you want to add some more component to this. Okay. So what I want to do, create an update version of the same architect where we want to showcase our security. Okay. Like monitoring and logs and everything we want to add as a separate block there. Okay. See. So now it has added one authentication service part in the mid, it has added, which is the basically security related one. A lot of people are creating this course. You are educator, right? You want to give some course to someone. You are the instructor there. So now what we want to do? So I am putting, we will create a simple concept explainer graphics for how compound interest works. Title top left hand side I have just put something. Okay, and color and all also I have given. Okay, so now let's see. I am also not clear about compound interest. Let's read it. Okay, how compound interest works. Start with your money. You initially invest the principal. Earn interest on your money. The bank adds interest to your principal. Okay, earn interest on your interest. So next time the interest will be on your principal plus this interest. The next interest payment is calculated on the total amount. Principal plus previous interest, your money makes money. So see like the diagrammatic way, right? If you have money first, you got the interest, that interest is here, then it is added to this interest. Okay. So simple interest is interest only on principal. That is basically this one. It has given a difference also. Okay. That how your simple interest will go, how your compound interest will go like this. Okay. This is basically HR, right? In a company we have HR, they are kind of creating this poster, right? We are hiring people with this. We are doing this cultural activity in the company. They used to have someone, a kind of Photoshop designer, someone, they used to do that. Okay, now they don't have to. Sorry, if you are a Photoshop designer, if your HR manager will see this, they can fire you. But no, you can start using this and you can enhance them also with your knowledge and idea. That's how we should tackle with this AI taking our jobs everywhere, right? So now, so design a professional, we are hiring poster for a tech role, senior data engineer, layout, we are hiring, everything we are adding. Okay. So now let's see. So now it is given, okay. We are hiring senior data engineer, tech stack, Python, Spark, AWS and all, experience 5 years, location, this, company, logo, it has been, okay. So now it has been added. So now we'll just do, there is another one, cultural onboarding visual, right? Like if you'll see, I'll just fire the prompt, then I will discuss. They are create a matching cultural poster with the same visual style and color platelet, but content focused on how you work. Because sometimes HR has to post like how the company culture is, right? Whenever they are posting a jobs and everything, right? So let's see. Okay. So let's see. Okay. How you work, collaboration and this company logo you can add. Now, if you have a company logo, you can just ask, okay, replace the company logo with this new logo. You can upload that logo also. That part will come up with a like later part. So I was telling basically, there are few things I have already tried and tested. So always specify your purpose. Who is it for? If you are a PM, for you needed. If you are a UX designer, or if you are a HR, so that thing will be clarify the AI a lot of things. Okay, second thing is your style, color, which kind of text you want to make sure, whether it is light, dark, or what kind of vibe you want to. Third thing is your basically resolution, like what size you want to create, whether it is your YouTube thumbnail size, whether it is a vertical size and all that size also mention basically particular. And whenever you are doing these tweaks, right, just mention, okay, for the above poster do this tweak, right, so that it will have a kind of connection to your previous poster. So yeah, that's all. Basically, I have been trying this. I from a long time I was thinking like I should create a video on this. So if you guys are trying, let me know in comment section what features or what kind of use cases you are basically handling with this Nano Banana Pro. I will come up with a different video for this personal use specifically. So yeah, just like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel if you like this video. I'll come up with the next video very quickly. Bye bye.